seems endless. Disputes between the Defence Ministry and the Army Chief has been growing. On the 10th of February, General Singh withdrew his petition after Supreme Court ruled in the government's favour. But there was no end to the mutual suspicion. According to an exclusive report in India Today, intelligence officials said someone with easy access to Antony's office could have planted the bugging device. But other suspects are also not being ruled out, like defence contractors, as the ministry is to decide contracts worth over 5 lakh crore rupees. Foreign countries, as it steers military relations with global powers. Political rivals, as Antony is part of Sonia Gandhi's core team of political advisors. But most importantly, the needle of suspicion is now being pointed at the army. It is possible that the MI team stumbled upon a bug planted by another. The army, though, dismisses the suspicion. A senior official said MI conducts daily sweeps in Defence Minister's office and IB was called in only for a second opinion.
But there could be so many possibilities, and one of these could be the rival companies which are vying for the contracts, defense contracts, which are substantial by any, what do you call, calculation. They run into billions of dollars. So there is a definite requirement of looking into it. But then there is another possibility of the foreign intelligence agencies also. If that is the case, it can be extremely dangerous. I don't think it will stoop down to that sort of a level. The army will go down to that level, and the MOD will also. After all, they're serving the same nation. There can be very, very sort of strong differences of opinion, but snooping on each other, I don't think so.
Has the army been snooping on the Defence Ministry? Senior ministry officials have told India Today that the army has been snooping on phone conversations around South Block. The officials say that the army has deployed off-the-air interceptors around the sensitive zone over the past year. These portable devices extract conversations from cell phone towers. An official said that the army had admitted to using what it calls passive cellular surveillance systems to listen in on conversations. The Defence Ministry officials are also worried about a shadowy unit called Technical Support Division within the MI. Its purpose is still not clear. Officials are worried about the deployment of these devices, as the army is not one of the 9 designated agencies like the CBI, Police, DRI, CBDT, NCV to tap conversations. Senior army officials admitted to India Today army acquired the capability to snoop through the back door. This was under the Project Suraj on electronic warfare. The episode comes in the backdrop of strained ties between the Defence Ministry and the service headquarters. Lately, the age row over General Singh's date of birth only intensified it. The scrapping of Army Chief's visit to Israel from March 16th to 18th is being seen as a snub. The chief was also not called